Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue. Today I wanted to go over the second part of distressing your frames once you do the DIY chalk paint. And this is what it looks like after I've done one coat over the gray. It's got a couple of places where gray is showing through a little bit. That's okay because you want it to be a worn look anyway. So you'll need a sanding block. Mine's a little worn. You want about a medium grit. And the places that you're going to have wear and tear on something that's old are the raised areas, the edges and corners, and that's where you want your distressing to happen. That's where you want to rub with the sandpaper. So we'll just rub a little bit here and see what happens. And you see it's just pulling out those colors so nice. And it doesn't take hardly any work. It's a little bit there and here. Some back here. Not much work to it at all. I mean, it's just, you don't want solid lines to stay, so you don't want to do like the same place all the way down or something. So just little areas of it. And you can see those little areas start to show that gray through that we put on there first, which is what we want. And these raised areas, it's going to hit those top bumps first anyway, and that's exactly where you want it to sand. Don't sand too far or you'll sand through your gray mix that you did. But just sand just enough till you get that distressed, aged look. And that's the goal, right? We just want it to look really distressed and old. I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. I've seen so many new people joining, and I'm so tickled. Once we get to 100 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. So just to give a heads up to all of you guys, and I'll make a video telling the rules, that kind of thing. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to all of you wonderful people spending time and getting to know you. It'll be a really fun time. Thank you, Letitia, for sending so many wonderful people by. Alright, now at this point, you can just take a brush of any kind, and just kind of dust off where you've done so you can get a good look at what's going on. And I think we have distressed this one enough. This is good. Well, once you're here, they do recommend when you watch videos about chalk paint that you do a sealant of some kind. I would not do the wax that they recommend in a lot of them, because if you do the wax, you have to continue doing the wax every couple of, every few months. And you don't want to have to do that. That's just too much work. So just do like a clear coat that you can put on it, but you want it to be matte. You don't want it to be shiny because it'll take away your effect of your chalk paint. But this is it, guys. See how simple that was? I don't know if you can see the whole thing in there. I hope it's showing a good picture for you. There's the distressing up close. And it turned out really good. These are some old frames I have had for, goodness, probably 20 years. And they had sat in my garage for the longest time, not being used. And I thought, well, I've got to do something with these or throw them away. And I didn't want to throw them away. So distressing it was. And I'm glad I decided that because I like how it turned out. It's going really great. So I'm doing several of them, and I'm going to put them together in a collage on the wall with family photos, that kind of thing. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have given a shot to some DIY chalk paint. And until next time, guys, I look so forward to that. I will read you from our devotion. And today it says, only God can put the pieces of our heart back together again. Close up all the wounds and bind them with a porous bandage that protects from infection. yet keeps the heart free to inhale and exhale love. And that's an excerpt from A Quick Word with Beth Moore, Scriptures and Quotations from Breaking Free. Let me flip our spot over so we're ready for next time. And guys, I hope you have a blessed week and everything goes great. If you need anything, feel free to drop a line on Thread and Glue Facebook page, and I'll talk to you there. See you later. Bye.